Today we are going to talk about how FTX, Coinbase, BlockFi, and all the big crypto brands do marketing. My name is Eric Su. I have a portfolio of marketing businesses, and I'm here to help level the world up. So let's get into it. So let's go ahead and take a look at Coinbase first. So we know they are one of the largest exchanges that are out there. They're a publicly traded company, and they do really well. And if we look at how they do marketing, a couple things I want to call out here. They do a good job of calling out what their main kind of, hey, here's the headline and here's the sub-headline over here, right? So not all the good crypto brands do that, but what I would say here is that from a marketing 101 perspective, they do a pretty good job. So if you want to look for the gold standard when it comes to crypto marketing, Coinbase is a good example because they've tried to optimize the heck out of this. You can see here that they're optimizing for collecting emails. They have a nice benefit over here. There's an incentive. There's a good offer over here to say, okay, if you sign up, we'll give you $5 in Bitcoin. Their goal is to try to get you to sign up, right? And they show you all the different features that they have. So this is, I'm talking more from like a offer standpoint, an email marketing standpoint, a conversion rate optimization type of standpoint, right? So that's Coinbase. But what most people don't know is that they do a very good job from an SEO perspective. So I'm using a tool called Ahrefs here, which is an SEO tool, and it shows you the different keywords that they rank for. So I just want to show you the power of the SEO that they have, right? So if you search for Bitcoin price, which gets 10 million visits a month, they rank number 2 for that. Dogecoin, they rank number 4. For other keywords like Ethereum price, as an example, 2.7 million visits a month, they rank number 4 for that. And they rank pretty high for a lot of these really high volume type of keywords. They have very good brand equity, so a lot of people are looking for it. When you look at how they do SEO, so let's just go to this Bitcoin section over here. You can see that they do a good job of putting content on the page as well. How does it work? Keep in mind, Bitcoin's on the decline this week, and they have all this other content on this page that other crypto exchanges do not do a good job of their coin pages, right? So when you think about things from an SEO perspective, think about what Coinbase has done well, and you want to emulate what they've done. Coinbase is, again, kind of the gold standard when it comes to this type of stuff. Now, I do want to talk about the other type of crypto companies out there, but when you think about how they're doing from just digital marketing 101, take a look at Coinbase and you look at the keywords that they're bidding for on Google. So they're bidding for about 10,000 keywords for keywords like NFT, Coinbase wallet, and all that. So they know what keywords work for them. They know what keywords make sense to target. And again, at the end of the day, they're just trying to drive more signups to get more people to use their exchange, okay? BlockFi, they bid on about 328 keywords. BlockFi, to me, I'm going to come back in a second, but BlockFi is, you can basically get yield from your crypto. So basically, you can put your crypto in with BlockFi. Maybe you can get 7%, 6 to 7% a year using, like, I believe it's Tether or USDC. So these are kind of the stable coins that are out there. You can also earn money back on your credit card purchases. So I actually have a BlockFi credit card. So you can earn interest, right? We talked about that a little earlier, but you can also get loans too. So you can borrow loans for as low as 4.5% APR. So BlockFi, they're backed by some of the largest crypto companies that are out there. I remember I was in an airport, the Atlanta airport, and BlockFi ads were everywhere, talking about the different credit cards that they have. I think even at the Miami airport too, I saw BlockFi ads. They decided that they're just going to take over airports because a lot of foot traffic goes through the airport. They know that crypto is, the whole space is on fire right now. So why not just go, and if they're making a lot of money already, they should be buying more attention because their name in the game is speed. They're trying to play that game right now. Now, FTX, I want to call out a little bit because FTX is one of the fastest growing exchanges out there. Their CEO is a 29-year-old kind of a superstar, and he's doing really well. They decided, they're doing Facebook ads. A lot of these companies are doing Facebook ads, right? So very simple ads, right? They're not super sophisticated or anything like that. Let the rumors fly. Tom Brady wants to trade. That's actually a pretty good one. Let the rumors fly over here. We're giving away $1 million in crypto. So that's a pretty compelling ad, right? So they're on Facebook, but more importantly, they're big on the NFL. For FTX, they recently just purchased a Super Bowl ad. The Super Bowl ad is one of the most expensive ads that you can get, but also a lot of the eyeballs are going to be there when it comes to the Super Bowl. So that's a premium ad slot, and they're going really for athletes. I think they started to go after golf as well. So that's why they partnered up with Tom Brady, the Tampa Bay Buccaneers quarterback. It's just super smart. And so BlockFi decided to go for airports. FTX decided to go for the NFL. Crypto.com is another one. They decided, hey, we're going to go after Formula One. You have a lot of rich people that go to these Formula One events. Where my cursor is, you can see Formula One with a $100 million deal with Crypto.com. You can see this over here. There's a bunch of Crypto.com banners. And then even this truck over here too. They're trying to corner where a lot of foot traffic is, or maybe where a lot of high profile or high net worth type of individuals are hanging out, right? In some cases, it's not necessarily the case. NFL, that's not necessarily the case. They're targeting a very large market. Same thing with airports too, right? eToro is another one. They're kind of they're in the crypto space, but they do stock trading and all that too, right? So they allow you to kind of go beyond crypto. But they've gone after football players, right? And football players in this respect this would be soccer players. And Tezos, they went after baseball. They would sponsor large screens that you see in the middle of the field, right? So again, the call out here is that with crypto marketing 101, if you want to learn to do digital marketing the right way, you take a look at what Coinbase is doing. You want to take a page from kind of what these other companies are doing. It's really figuring out where to buy the attention. And money is no object right now. Trying to get that attention and understanding that it's a land grab right now and getting as much of that attention as possible. That is what crypto marketing 101 looks like, at least for kind of early 2022, right? We're going to see it evolve over the years, but in the future, we're going to see a lot of this advertising go towards the metaverse, right? We know that Facebook just rebranded to Meta. That's going to be very interesting as well. Let me know what you think about this video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found value from this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell button if it helped you grow, and we will catch you later.